Hello children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will understand Lesson 5 and will solve exercise of Lesson 5. This lesson will help you to understand the complex nature of soil, component of different layers and particles, to see different types of soil including sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Let me give you overview of soil. The ground on which we walk is never quite the same. It keeps on changing, and sometimes it is made up of millions of tiny sand particles. It is hard and rocky surface. Other places have the ground covered with grass, moss. So soil is the thin layer of materials covering the earth's surface. Weathering is the process where rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into smaller and smaller pieces. There are mechanical, chemical and organic weathering process. So weathering is the breaking down of rocks, soil and minerals as well as wood and artificial material through contact with the earth's atmosphere, water and biological organism. So the materials left over after the rock breaks down combined with organic material creates soil. So big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Now let's see how soil is formed. Wherever the fine powder known as sand mixes with the remains of dead plants and animal called humus and mineral, soil is formed, and rotten plant and dead animals are called humus, and it is dark brown in color and it is very good for the growth of plant. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the earth's surface and is formed from the weathering of rocks. It is made up of mainly of mineral particles, organic materials, air, water and living organism. So we can say that soil is formed by the combination of physical, chemical and biological process in which huge rocks are broken down into smaller particles over a long period of time, and gradually this crack causes the rock to break down into smaller pieces. And with time, these smaller pieces convert into particles and form soil. Thus, soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. So as I say, rotten plants and dead animals are called humus, and it is dark brown in color and it is very good for the growth of plant. Now let's understand importance of soil. As most plants get their nutrients from the soil, and they are the main source of food for humans, animals and birds. Most living things on land depend on soil for their existence. And as you know, agriculture is one of the most important components of our society. Farmers and ranchers produce the food and fiber we use every day. Soil is a critical part of successful agriculture and is the original source of nutrients that we use to grow crops. So, soil is very important. Now let's understand composition of soil and soil particles. A soil particle is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface, and these layers are known as soil horizons also. Even soil is made up of different types of soil particles like sand, silt and clay. So let's understand sand. Sand is the largest soil particle, is made up of weathered primary rock mineral. Then silt, this particle is smaller than sand particle but bigger than clay particle. And clay particle are the smallest soil particles. But other than this, soil also contains small stones and pebbles called gravel, minerals such as iron, calcium, potassium and humus. Soil also contains some amount of air and water. Now let's understand types of soil. There are mainly 3 types of soil depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in it. These are sandy, clay and loamy soil. This is the first type of soil and it consists of small particles of weathered rock. And this soil is one of the poorest soil for growing plant because it has very low nutrients and poor water holding capacity, which makes it hard for the plant's root to absorb water. And this type of soil is very good for the drainage system. So this soil is usually formed by the broken down of rocks, and this type of soil has a greater proportion of sand particles. It feels rough and gritty and it is non-sticky when wet, and it doesn't hold much water and drains most of it. Now second type of soil, clay soil. This soil has a greater proportion of clay particles and it feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. And it is the smallest particles among the other 2 types of soil. And the particles in this soil are tightly packed together with each other with very little or no air space. So this soil has very good water storage qualities and make it hard for moisture and air to come into it. And it is very sticky to the touch when wet but smooth when dried. Now third type of soil. This soil has almost the same amount of all these soil particles, and it is the best soil for growing plant, and it is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Now let's understand soil profile and layer of soil. The layer of soil can easily be observed by their color and size of particles. The main layer of the soil are topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. And each layer has its own characteristic and benefits. So we can say that a soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface. These layers are known as soil horizons. The first uppermost layer of soil is called topsoil, and it contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. So it is the upper and outermost layer of soil, usually the top 5 to 10 inches, and it has the highest concentration of organic matter and microorganism, and is where most of the earth's biological soil activity occurs. So topsoil is the top layer of soil in which all plants grow, and it usually covers a layer of subsoil, which in turn covers the bedrock and other layers. Then second layer of soil is subsoil, and it is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. But the subsoil doesn't have high organic matter concentration but offers rich minerals for searching root system, and it is varying in color like red and yellow. Then third layer of soil is bedrock, and it is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth, and it has a large pieces of rock forming the outside layer of the earth crust is bedrock layer, and this horizon lies beneath the topsoil and subsoil to form pure rock. Now let's understand soil erosion. The removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion, and it occurs in almost all type of lands. Flowing water, rainwater and the wind are the prime factor or reason which cause soil erosion. Even too much of soil erosion causes serious loss of topsoil and also reduce crop production potential or capacity. So due to soil erosion, the soil becomes less fertile, and the top layer of soil is very light, which is easily carried away by wind and water. So the removal of topsoil by the natural forces like wind and water is known as soil erosion. So when strong wind blow, the topsoil along with the organic matter is carried away or washed away by the wind, and this happens more often when the land is not covered with grass or plant. Even when it rains in the hilly area, the soil gets washed away towards the plain. So the running water carried all the upper layer topsoil, and thus soil erosion happens. Now let's understand soil conservation and its method. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation, and there are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. So soil conservation can be done by planting new trees and plants. As we live because plant live. If the plant dies, all living thing will also die. Thus, wherever trees are cut down, new trees should be planted, and planting trees in hilly area are most effective for soil conservation. Even soil conservation can be done by crop rotation, like between harvesting one crop and planting the next crop. There is a time period when the farmland doesn't have any crop. So during this period, the farmer either grow grass or grows other crop to prevent soil from erosion, and this helps the soil to conserve and to stop soil erosion. Even soil conservation can be done by building dams. Dams are built to prevent floods, which not only damage the crops but also wash away the topsoil. Let's see. Answer the following question. First, WHAT. What IS is? WEATHERING. Weathering. What is weathering? Answer. Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Second question. HOW. How? DOES. Does. WEATHERING. Weathering. FORM. Form. SOIL. Soil. How does weathering form soil? Answer. The fine powder formed by weathering, known as sand, mixes with the remain of dead plants and animal called humus, and mineral soil is formed. Now third question. Define soil. Answer. Soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. Fourth question. NAME. Name. THE. The. THREE. 3. TYPES. Types. OF. Of. SOIL. Soil. Name the 3 types of soil. Answer. The 3 types of soil are as follow: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Next question. WHAT. What IS is? LOAMY. Loamy. SOIL. Soil. What is loamy soil? Answer. The soil that has almost the same amount of sand, clay, and silt. Now next question. WHAT. What IS is? SOIL. Soil. EROSION. Erosion. What is soil erosion? Answer. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Next question. WHAT. What INCREASES increases, erosion, erosion. of soil, soil. What increases erosion of soil? Answer: strong wind, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increases soil erosion. Next question, WHAT. What is soil? Soil. conservation. Conservation. What is soil conservation? Answer: protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. Now let's understand. Give one word for the following. First, THE, the, PROCESS, process, OF, of, BREAKING, breaking, DOWN, down, BIG, big, PIECES, pieces, OF, of, ROCK, rock, INTO, into, SMALLER, smaller, PIECES, pieces, BY, by, WIND, wind, AND, and WATER, water. The process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water is called weathering. As you know, weathering is the process where rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into smaller pieces. So the process of breaking down big pieces of rock into smaller pieces by wind and water is called weathering. Now next, THE, the, TOP, top, LAYER, layer, OF, of, THE, the, EARTH, apostrophe S, earth, SURFACE, surface, WHERE, where, PLANTS, plants, GROW, grow. The top layer of the earth's surface where plant grow is called topsoil. As you know, topsoil is the upper and outermost layer of soil where plants grow. So the top layer of the earth's surface where plants grow is topsoil. Now let's understand third, SOIL, soil, THAT, that, DOES, does, NOT, not, HOLD, hold, WATER, water, AT, at, ALL, all. Soil that doesn't hold water at all. Answer is sandy soil. This soil has a greater proportion of sand particles and doesn't hold water at all. So, soil that doesn't hold water at all is sandy soil. Now next question, SOIL, soil, THAT, that, FEELS, fields, SMOOTH, smooth, WHEN, when, DRY, dry, AND, and, LUMPY, lumpy, AND, and, STICKY, sticky, WHEN, when, W-E-T, wet. Soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Answer is clayey soil. And this soil has greater proportion of clay particles. And it is the soil that feels smooth when dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. So the answer is clayey soil. Now next, THE, the REMOVAL, removal, OF, of, FERTILE, fertile, TOP, top, SOIL, soil, BY, by, THE, the, ACTION, action, OF, of, WIND, wind, AND, and WATER, water. The removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Answer is soil erosion. It is a process in which the top fertile layer of soil is lost. So, the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is soil erosion. First, SOIL, soil, which means the top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. So first hard word, SOIL, soil. Now second hard word, EROSION, erosion, which means it is natural process in which the topsoil of field is carried away or washed away by physical sources such as wind and water. Third hard word, CONSERVATION, conservation, which means protection of something, like soil conservation means protection of soil from erosion is soil conservation. So third hard word is CONSERVATION, conservation. Now fourth hard word, FORMATION, formation. Formation is the act or process of forming or making something. So fourth hard word is FORMATION, formation. Fifth hard word, PROTECTION, protection. To protect means to save, and protection is an act of protecting something. Now next hard word, LAYERS, layers, which means covers or strips on something, like layers of soil, topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Now next, GRAVEL, gravel, which is small, loose and rock particle. Now next hard word, INCREASES, increases, means to become larger or greater in size, amount or number. Now next hard word, decreases, decreases, means to become smaller or less in amount, size or number. Now next, composition, composition, which is the way in which something is put together or arranged, and it is an act of combining part to form a whole thing. Now next, loamy, which means anything or soil which has almost the same amount of sand, clay and silt. Then next, sandy, which means something or soil which has a greater proportion of sand particles. Then next, surface, which means the exterior or upper boundary or layer of any object,